Configuring best egg debt consolidation is a straightforward process that can help you manage your debt more effectively. To start, you need to check if you are eligible for a best egg loan, which typically requires a minimum credit score of 640 and a stable income. Once you have determined your eligibility, you can begin the application process by visiting the Best Egg website and filling out the online application form. You will need to provide some basic personal and financial information, including your name, address, income, and employment details. After submitting your application, Best Egg will review your creditworthiness and provide you with a list of loan options, including the interest rate, loan term, and monthly payment amount. You can then choose the loan that best suits your needs and budget. When selecting a loan, it is essential to consider the total cost of the loan, including the interest rate and any fees associated with the loan. You should also think about the loan term and how it will affect your monthly payments. A longer loan term may result in lower monthly payments, but you will pay more in interest over the life of the loan. After choosing your loan, you will need to review and sign the loan agreement, which will outline the terms and conditions of the loan. Once you have signed the agreement, the funds will be disbursed to your account, and you can use them to pay off your outstanding debts. To get the most out of your Best Egg debt consolidation loan, it is crucial to make timely payments and avoid missing any payments. You should also consider setting up automatic payments to ensure that you never miss a payment. Additionally, you should continue to monitor your credit report and score to ensure that you are making progress in paying off your debt. By following these steps and best practices, you can effectively configure your Best Egg debt consolidation and take control of your finances. It is also important to note that debt consolidation is not a one-time solution, but rather an ongoing process that requires discipline and commitment to managing your debt. By staying on top of your payments and keeping track of your progress, you can achieve financial stability and secure a better financial future. Overall, configuring Best Egg debt consolidation is a simple and effective way to manage your debt and improve your financial situation. By following the steps outlined in this guide and maintaining good financial habits, you can achieve financial freedom and start building a more secure financial future.